In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store download error after full screen. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. At the settings, you need to use the search bar being placed here at the upper left side. Type for Windows Space Store. Then wait until you can see a result, which is they find and fix the Windows Store apps. Click on that and then wait until you can open another window where you can run the troubleshooter. So click on next and this will help you to fix the problem if the Microsoft Store is not working right. After that, try to check if the error has been fixed. And if not, then let's move on to the next solution. And that is you need to sign out your account in your Microsoft and then once you have signed it out, sign it in again and check if the error has been resolved. Okay? If the error still persists, I want you to clear the cache as well as your junk files of your Microsoft Store. Press Windows key and R key together. In this way, you'll be able to open the small window called Run. Type for wsreset.exe, click on the OK button, and then after that, I want you to wait until this process would be finished, and when once you are done, restart the PC and check if the error has been resolved, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.